Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up shipping on Shopify with Zendrop. First, you'll need to ensure your Shopify store is properly integrated with your Zendrop account. This connection is crucial for automating your order fulfillment process. We'll then dive into the Zendrop dashboard to configure your shipping preferences, ensuring your customers receive accurate shipping costs and delivery times. It's a straightforward process that saves you valuable time. Next, let's explore the different shipping methods available within Zendrop. You can offer your customers a range of choices, from standard shipping, which typically takes 10 to 15 business days, to expedited or even express options for quicker delivery. It's important to set up shipping zones, allowing you to tailor rates for domestic and international orders. You can choose between simple flat rates or more dynamic calculated rates. Now, let's talk about defining your shipping rates and rules. Zendrop allows you to set up shipping costs based on various factors, such as the total weight of the order, its price, or even the quantity of items purchased. Consider implementing free shipping thresholds, perhaps for orders over $50, to incentivize higher average order values. Always double-check your rules to ensure they are clear and accurate for your customers. Finally, once your shipping settings are configured in Zendrop, it's time to sync them with your Shopify store. This crucial step ensures that all your carefully planned rates and methods are reflected on your storefront. After syncing, make sure to publish your updated shipping policies so customers can clearly understand their options. It's a good practice to monitor your first few orders to confirm everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.